In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find EPP authorization code of GoDaddy domain, GoDaddy tutorial, transfer domain name. If you're moving a domain to a different registrar, you'll need an EPP code, also called an authorization or transfer code. Think of it like a one-time password that proves you own the domain. Here's exactly how to find it in your GoDaddy account step by step. Start by signing in and opening your GoDaddy portfolio where all your domains are listed. This is your home base for domain management. If you're on a phone, switching to desktop view can make the navigation clearer. Once you're in, locate the domain you plan to transfer and click directly on its name to open the domain details page. If you manage multiple domains, pause to confirm you've selected the correct one so you don't copy the wrong code. On the domain settings page, scroll down until you reach the transfer section. Select transfer to another registrar. You're not committing to a move yet. You're simply opening the area where GoDaddy provides the code you'll share with your new provider. You won't be charged just for viewing the code. If your domain has domain protection enabled, GoDaddy will ask you to verify your identity before revealing sensitive information. Complete the prompt you see on screen. This may involve two-step verification or a confirmation sent to your registered contact method. It's quick and it helps prevent unauthorized transfers. After verification, look for the option that says, click here to see authorization code. Select it to reveal your unique EPP code. Different screens may label it as EPP, authcode, or authorization code. They all mean the same thing. When the code appears, click Copy to Clipboard. This ensures you capture the entire code with the correct capitalization and symbols. Treat it like a password. Keep it private and store it somewhere secure until you use it. To avoid formatting issues, paste it into a plain text note first, then into the new registrar's form, and double-check there are no extra spaces before or after the code. Many registrars consider these codes time sensitive, so plan to start your transfer soon. You'll provide this code to your new registrar during their transfer process when they ask to authorize the move. If the code doesn't work on the first try, paste it again to avoid typos and confirm you're using it for the exact domain you selected. And that's it. Open your GoDaddy portfolio, pick the domain, go to the transfer section, verify if prompted, reveal the authorization code, and copy it for your new registrar. Follow these steps and you'll be ready for a smooth domain transfer.